Here's how to fix a graphics card not being detected in Windows 10 or 11. Search for System Configuration, open it, and make sure it is set to Normal Startup. Click Apply and OK, and restart your PC if prompted. After restarting, search for Device Manager and open it. Click on your PC name, go to Action, and select Scan for hardware changes. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. If Windows cannot find the latest driver, go directly to the official website for your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download their own dedicated software or driver package. These tools automatically detect your card and install the correct latest driver, which is more reliable than Windows Update for GPU detection. Once the driver is installed, your graphics card should be detected and working correctly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.